Cuckoo. So once you've launched Godot, it's going to open up the project manager window here, and on this window is where you find all your Godot projects listed. So if it's the first time that you're launching Godot, of course you won't have any projects. It's going to prompt you to either open the, I think, assets library or to cancel. Now, I think what you want to do is go ahead and press cancel, and then now what you want to do is click on new project. Then it's going to ask you to create the name of your new project. So my project, I think I'm going to name it Wana Savana tutorial, just like that. And then it's going to ask you to select a folder like project tab. And be very keen, because here it says choose an empty folder. You need to choose a folder in which no other files, nothing else exists. So go ahead and browse on your PC and select an empty folder. You can create a new folder on your desktop or in your C drive or whichever drive. It can even be on a flash disk, but always make sure now to have that flash disk connected when you're working on the project. So for myself, I've created a folder called tutorial for this tutorial series, and that's the folder that I'm going to have all my files in. So go ahead and say select current folder, and now depending on whether you want your game to run on the web and all that, you're supposed to choose either OpenGL ES 3.0 or 2.0. So for our version here, it's very easy to change versions even midway through development, so that shouldn't worry you too much right now. So to start us off, we're going to use OpenGL ES 3.0. So all you need to do is ensure you've gotten the correct project name, and you've selected an empty folder, and just now say create and edit. All right, now that goes on to launch your Godot project now. And the first thing that you notice is the Godot editor window. We're going to be familiarizing ourselves with all these various sections of the engine window as the project goes along. So, but the first thing you want to notice is that it's automatically set to 3D, a 3D pane. So the first thing that you're going to do is now select the 2D pane, because we're making a 2D game. So that's about it for this video. Don't forget to like the video. Also, if you'd like to see more content coming up, please subscribe. And lastly, if you have friends that you think would enjoy learning about game development, please share this video with them. I'd be really appreciative if this tutorial got to as many aspiring developers as possible. Thank you, and see you in the next one.